The Fectiv product is simple and easy to set up a website, and with extra features that help support setup and support the website upkeep process, owning a website at a low price has never been this easy. Now with Fectiv, you can choose the right design, have full control over your website, ensure everything runs smoothly with hand-free hosting, and even if our customers don't have any content, our team can support that too. And when everything is said and done after setup, the customer can easily update their website with simple site update guides. Welcome to everything that is included in the website setup and website maintenance process. My name is Caleb, and in today's session, we're going to take a quick look at what's included. More directly, we're going to take a look at 5 distinct features: Curated Designs, Site Control, Hosting, Text Templates, and Site Update Guides. Let's dive into each of these step by step. Let's roll the tape starting with Curated Designs.
Choosing a website design can feel overwhelming. Too many options, and not enough clarity. At Fectiv, we curate WordPress designs to make choosing easier and smarter. Each design is business-focused, clean, professional, and built to grow with your online presence. We study feedback from thousands in the WordPress community and track downloads over time to see which designs developers trust. We prioritize themes backed by WordPress itself, secure, actively maintained, and built to last. Then we ask, how easy is it to update? Because your website should work for you, not the other way around. And finally, we choose designs with a unique quality, so your site doesn't just look good, it feels like your space. Smart design, trusted themes, built for business. That's how we curate at Fectiv.
Curated designs reduce friction in choosing, enhance website performance for visitors, and ensure a secure design for long-term future use. Every customer wants autonomy over their content, and at Fectiv, we give that from day one. Let's take a deeper look at site control.
One of the biggest technical hurdles when setting up a WordPress website is dealing with hosting, domain configurations, and installing a WordPress design. We understand that many business owners just want direct access to their pages, so they can add text and photos, hit save, and move on. That's exactly what we've made possible with the Starter Site package at Fectiv. With this package, a specialist will handle the setup for you: design, hosting, WordPress installation, and applying the theme you've selected. Once that's done, you'll receive your login details so you can start adding your own text and photos to personalize your site. And when you're ready, your specialist will take care of the final technical steps, launching your site and connecting your domain name. So now you can focus on what really matters: your business communications. Everything technical is taken care of.
WordPress brings everything together, making admin updates secure and effective. Its ongoing updates ensure longevity for all websites into the future for our customers and their site visitors. Every website needs hosting, and at Fectiv, it's made simple. Let's take a look.
A lot of business owners feel like owning a website is like putting together a puzzle. You need hosting from one provider and a developer to build the site. It's time-consuming and full of technical details most business owners simply don't have time for. At Fectiv, we've simplified it all. We call it hands-free hosting, bundled with a specialist who sets up your website. You get a fast, secure WordPress-hosted website without designer dashboards, without management tools, and without configurations to worry about. Professional setup, reliable hosting, fast and simple. That's Fectiv.
Hand-free hosting makes owning a website simple. There's no more managing ongoing accounts. With Fectiv, you get everything in one place. And that even includes content. Text templates make Fectiv setup even more simple.
At Fectiv, we understand that time is limited, and not knowing where to begin with your business content can be a real challenge. We provide you with a text template tailored to your industry, and then give you the ability to build on that foundation and make the content truly your own, specific to your business and services. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to select the Growth Site package on our website. Inside the platform, your specialist will then send you what we call a content form. Inside that form, you'll find a drop-down menu to select the right text template for your business. Once you've made your selection, your specialist will get to work installing that content directly into your website. So that's how you plan your content easily with the Growth Site package. To learn more, head over to Fectiv.com and click on Pricing. The Growth package will be front and center right here.
With industry-specific text, every business can now easily get online. The tricky part is getting started with content, and text templates get every business rocketing off to a great start. When these text templates are in place and ready to customize, we help there too. Introducing SiteUpdateGuides.
SiteUpdateGuides are the perfect assistant. At Fectiv, you get a wide range of guides, laser-focused on the design you choose. There are Site Update Guides for Website Pro Plus, Website Max, and Blog Edition. You'll find them at Fectiv Support, neatly indexed to outline every section of your website. From adding basic text and photos to updating your header menu, you can change just about anything. From setup by a Fectiv specialist to guides that help you tweak your site anytime. This is a game changer for any business owner who wants to maintain a strong online presence.
Site update guides can be found in Fectiv Support, and they are design-specific, making each update seamless for our customers. From homepage banners to galleries to text, we've got everything covered inside Site Update Guides. There's so much included in each website design. From the power of WordPress to the support that Fectiv provides, building a website is now easier than ever. Your role as a Fectiv partner elevates the process and helps more people turn their ideas into something bigger. We can't wait for you to join us on the journey. Thanks for watching.